Once again, good morning to all of you students. And today is our first class of chapter 3, chapter name Animal Fiber. Firstly, we have to define what is fiber. Firstly, we have to define what is fiber. Okay. Firstly, we have to define what is fiber. It means that definition of fiber. It means that definition of fiber. What is fiber? Firstly, we have to define what is fiber and their examples also. A fiber is a long, narrow, and flexible thread of natural and artificial substance. Say that we can say that this fiber is a long, long, narrow, narrow. It means that thin, okay, and flexible and flexible thread thread of
एक्सक्यूज
okay
मी
student.
सर
Okay
सर
student,
तीन
I
एंड के बाद क्या है
all I already say you you all unmute. No any noise, no any noise. No any sound come. Okay student, we have firstly we have firstly uh, defined what is fiber. What is fiber? Fiber is a long, narrow, or thin and flexible thread like material, okay, like material, okay. Fiber is a long, narrow, thin, or and flexible thread like materials, okay. What is fiber? It means that here we have to also learn about types of fiber. As for example, we can see that fiber. What is fiber? As you fiber is used for making different types of materials, uh, like uh, like your clothes, like your uh, any types of usable things which is used to make by uh, fibers, such as here we have to define types of fiber, okay. Types of fiber. Types of fiber. Types of fiber, okay. There are mainly two types of fiber. There are there are two types of fiber. Two types of fiber, okay. First one is natural fiber. Natural fiber. And second last is human made or artificial fiber. Human made or artificial fiber, okay. Human made or artificial fiber, okay. We also define what is natural fiber and what is human made or artificial fiber and their examples also, okay. Then it is the first page. So please take a screenshot, and in next page we have defined natural fiber. Please take a screenshot of this page. It is also available on your e-content. Okay. So please take a screenshot. I hope you all take a screenshot of this page. We go in next page. Here we have to define what is natural fiber. Firstly, we have to define natural fiber. Natural fiber, okay. The fibers which are obtained from plants and animals. We write here the the fibers which are obtained from animals and plants. Animals and plants are called natural fiber. Natural fiber. Okay. As for example, the fibers which are obtained from animals and plants are called natural fiber. As for example, the fibers obtained from animals, as like sheep. Here our chapter name is animals fiber. So we have also details our natural fiber. As for examples, fibers from animals we obtain, as example, wool. Wool, it is an animal fiber. I like here animal fiber. Animal fiber. Wool obtained from which animals? From which animals? Animals, which animals? Animals like sheep, from CPU, camel, okay, goat, Kashmiri goat, Kashmiri goats, etc. Okay, animal of a wool. And second example is jute, plant fiber, plant fiber. It is obtained from jute plant. It obtained from jute plant. Okay. So these are the examples of natural fiber. Also, natural fiber is silk. We have also a study about silk. One example also silk. It obtained from insects. Okay. This is also known as animal fiber. This silk is also count as animal fiber or natural fiber. Okay. It obtains from insects. Animal fiber. It is in the category of animal fiber. Okay. It obtained from any fiber. You also say that insect fiber, because it obtained from silkworm. Silkworm, and silkworm is an insect. Okay, so we can say that it is a insect fiber also. Okay, I hope you also understand what is natural fiber and what is the definitions of natural fiber. and which are the examples of natural fiber. I discuss some example here. Okay, please take a screenshot of this page. Student, please take a screenshot of this page. We are going in next page. I hope you all take a screenshot of this page. We are going in next page. Okay, students. Here we have discussed about second human made or natural fiber, human made or artificial fiber. Human made or artificial fiber. Artificial fibers. Okay, we have to define here the fibers which obtained from, yeah, which are made by the fibers which are made by human beings. The fibers which are made by human beings are called human made or artificial fiber. Are called human made or artificial fibers. Okay, we have also given some examples about artificial fiber or animal fiber. Okay, for examples we have right here. Human made or artificial fiber. Artificial human made fiber is also known as synthetic fiber. Okay, these points are written here by notes with rayon, nylon, okay, polyester. These are the human made or artificial fiber. Okay, these are used for making different types of clothes and other materials. Using materials we use in daily life, these type of materials it is. Okay, here we have write something through note. Human made and artificial fiber is also known as synthetic fiber. Human made or artificial fibers are also known as human made or artificial fibers are also known as human made or artificial Fibers are also known as synthetic fiber. Synthetic fibers. In class 8, you have studied in detail about synthetic fibers. Okay, we stop synthetic fiber here, right? So, students, you have also read about natural fiber and synthetic fibers and their examples. Here, firstly, we have to because we have studied about natural fiber, because we have studied only about in animal fiber. Uh, Animal fiber is our chapter name, so we have here discussed about only natural fiber. Okay, so let's start here for new topic. I changed the page. Please take a screenshot of this page. Okay, student, please take a screenshot of this page. We are going in next page using for starting new topics wool. We are starting wool. Here we are starting wool. We are starting wool. I hope you all taking a screenshot of this page. I changed the page and we are going in next page. Okay. Okay. Here we start wool, their properties, their uses, and so many things we have studied here about wool. Okay. Firstly, about wool, we have said that it is a natural fiber. We write here, it is a natural fiber which is obtained from, which is 1 minute, which is obtained from, it is a natural fiber which is obtained from animals. Animals. Okay. Which type of animals? As for examples of animal, which type of animals? Okay. Name of animals. First, sheep. Second, Kashmiri goats. Kashmiri goat. Next, Angora rabbit. Hey, 1 minute, please. Angora rabbit. Next, yak. Next, fifth example, camel. These are the examples. etc. These are the examples. Some examples from where you get natural fibers. Wool. Okay, and these all are also known as wool yielding animals. Okay, wool yielding animals. These animals are also known as wool yielding animals. These all animals are known as wool yielding animals. Wool yielding animals. Wool yielding animals. Okay, these all animals are known as wool yielding animals. Okay, okay, students. These all animals are known as wool yielding animals. If you have asked your question, which write five names of wool animals. Then you have write these types: sheep, Kashmiri goats, Angora rabbit, yak, camel. These are the animals which from which we obtain wool, and wool is a natural fiber. You also one thing remember that wool is also known as fleecy. Okay, wool is also known as fleecy. It is also known as fleecy. FLAACE. Okay, fleecy. You remember. It is also known as fleecy. So these are some information about wool you have to learn. Okay, this is your syllabus about wool. Okay, how much you have to read about wool, then these are your syllabus about wool you learn. So please take a screenshot of this page. Students, please take a screenshot of this page. In your book, the figure of different animals like Kashmiri goats, sheep, Angora rabbit, yak, camel. These all animals figure is given. You see these animals, and also identify these animals. And if you live see these animals, you also feel, and also find out how the any how we can use these animals to taking wool from these animals. Okay, so today's we have today we have a study about wool, and this is the last topic for today. In next class we have a study about sheep farming. Okay, sheep farming. From next day we have start sheep farming. Okay, so for today you have very thanks, and I unmute you all. If you have any doubts or questions, then ask for me. Okay, thank you.